Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So if you want to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network, first you need to open the settings, and to do that press the Chrome button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and after you find it, tap on it. In settings you should see this main page right here. Now scroll through it, find the Wi-Fi option and tap on it. Now scroll down and find the option called Saved Networks and tap on it. And here we have list of networks saved on our watch, and basically if watch is in the vicinity of that network, it will try to connect to it. And if you want to disconnect from that network, you can remove it from this list. You can tap on X button next to it, tap on the checkmark to confirm, and the watch will disconnect from that network automatically. As you can see here, we have the S29P4 and we have connected, and if we go to Saved Networks, tap on X, tap on checkmark and go back, the network will disappear and it won't be connected anymore. And then we can press the Chrome button to go back to watch face, and that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.